All right, guys. All right, guys. This is Mr. Risk every time. All right, guys. We are in strongly. All right, guys. All right, guys. All right, guys. All right, guys. This is Mr. Risk every time. Remember, leave a like and subscribe to the channel every time for the people joining live right today, guys. So sometimes in trading, you need to be very keen. In fact, you need to be very keen, guys. All right, this is Mr. Risk every time. Remember to leave a like. And you know what? Subscribe to the channel every time, guys. For the people who are joining live, they understand and they know this, guys. So this is Mr. Risk every time. Remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel every time, guys, for the people who are joining live right now, guys. So this is Mr. Risk every time. Remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel every time. In fact, today's video, I want to explain in specific on the 3-rule method strategy, on application of it, and how we trade it on gold. In fact, so this is a trend that I took on gold, guys. So I want to explain that 3-rule method strategy based on every step. In fact, guys, so this is Mr. Risk every time. All right, this is Mr. Risk every time. Let me just take something here very important to explain it, guys, one-on-one, guys. So this is Mr. Risk every time. Remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel every time, guys, for the people who are joining live every time. So I want to make some things somehow very simple, guys, for the people who always want to make money every day, guys. So if you're watching this, let me know. All right, guys, this is Mr. Risk every time. All right, guys. All right, for the people who want to join live every time, guys, this is Mr. Risk every time. Remember to leave a like, and you know what, subscribe to our channel every day, guys, every day. This is Mr. Risk every time. All right, guys. So I want to explain specific on this trend that I took at this point. In fact, so there is a trend that I took here. So I want to break down the 3-rule method strategy based on one sector to another, guys. In fact, guys, so this is Mr. Risk every time. Remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel every time. It is matter of consistency in trading every day, guys. So here I want to specific trade what, guys, things that make sense every time, guys. So it is matter of consistency in trading. There is no jokes, there is no anything, guys. So we are here live every day, guys. We trade live, we trade wisely every day, guys. All right, guys. All right, guys. All right, guys. This is Mr. Risk every time, guys. That is one of my pets misbehaving, so it needs something very nice, guys. So this is Mr. Risk every time. Remember to leave a like and you know what, subscribe to the channel every time, guys. If you're joining live, that is very nice. That is very fantastic every time, guys. So this is Mr. Risk every time. Let me just break down things in details. In fact, so I want to break things in details. In fact, guys, so this is Mr. Risk every time. So I want to explain there is a trend that I took here. All right, guys, this is Mr. Risk every time. So you know what, so I want to explain things very nicely. Alright guys, so this is Mr. Risk every time. This is Mr. Risk every time, guys. So we are here every day, guys. So it is matter of consistency in trading every day, guys. In trading every time we need something that guys, most of the times we need something that's actually makes some sense. All right, it is very okay. That is very okay, guys. So let me just take you to MT5 and explain something here on gold, guys. So I want to take time to explain on the 3 rule method strategy application. It is here every time. So on just what I have been just looking, guys, every time. Go, guys. This is Mr. Risk every time. Remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel every time, guys. So all right, that is very nice. All right, guys, so this is Mr. Risk every time. Remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel every time for the people who joins live every time, guys. All right, guys. So this is Mr. Risk every time. Let me just take a couple of explanation or just on gold, in fact. So I want to go direct to the gold and explain in details Mr. Risky Trading strategy every time, guys, for the people who have been joining live every day, guys. So I want to break down on what actually I've been trading. All right, guys. So this is Mr. Risky every time. Remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel every time, guys. So let go, guys, every time. So I want specific to explain on these details, guys. So let me just let go, guys, every time. So this is Mr. Risky every time, guys. So let's go. All right, guys. So let's start, guys. So the main point here, it is what actually I've been trading, guys. All right, guys, welcome to Mr. Risk Trading channel every time, guys. So today's video I want to explain my best of the best strategy that I have been using every time, that I call it the 3 rule method strategy, guys. So the 3 rule method strategy, it has been applied here, and I will just show you and update you on details the trend that I have just taken using the 3 rule method strategy, guys. So let's just go there in details and just break down. This is one of the trends actually that I have spotted at this point, guys. So this is the trend that I took here yesterday every time. So I entered my entry point. In fact, this was my entry point. My TP level was at this swing, so this was the TP and the stop loss below this specific structure, guys. So I want to explain in details the 3 rule method strategy and how I apply it in trading, and I have been winning most of the times in trading, guys. And this what I have just seen the equivalent, because the 3 rule method strategy, it has something to trade onto, and you cannot just come and trade randomly. If you comes in the market and you trade randomly without having a structure, guys, you get some money, it's very okay, but remember, you are spoiling yourself, because you will not replicate these again and again. All right, so when it comes to the 3 rule method strategy, it is something that you can have consistency. You train today, tomorrow, and the day after there. That is what we call forex trading as a professional. But once you trade today and get some money today, but you cannot replicate this the whole of the year, right? You are not trading. Just the outcome of the trading, it comes with consistency and a lot of times, guys. So let's go on the 3 rule method strategy, and you can apply it over and over time. So the first thing, once you come in the chart like this, guys, so let's say you have come to the chart right this. So right now the market, it is at this place, right? So the first thing, that is what we call internal structure and external structure. So you ask yourself, what is the external structure of this trend? So the external structure, it is the big runs. For example, in this move right here, this is an external structure where there is big moves, right? So you ask yourself, am I inside the external structure? So you zoom in like this, right? That is very nice. So the external structure, it comes at this, it starts at this point. You look at the swings, right? So this is one of the swing here. You draw, this is one of the swing. This is one of the swing, this is one of the swing, this is one of the swing. So if you break down this one, this is a clear downtrend. For example, we'll just name this one as this will be a lower high. In fact, this will be a lower low, this will be a lower high, this will be a lower low, a lower high, and a lower low, and a lower high. For the people who does not know how to mark the market structure, guys, so this is external market structure. When it comes to internal market structure, it is inside these runs. It is inside these runs, guys. So this is internally the market structure. So you ask yourself, am I trading internal structure or external structure? So here it comes a very deal ideological thing that you need to understand, guys. If you want to look the market externally, remember you are taking now the trends like a day full trader, right? So when you take it in internal structure, you are just looking at trade like intraday trader or a scalping. That is how it comes on internal structure. But for the sake of Mr. Risk, I always look at the external structure because I'm looking in the bigger runs, in the bigger swings, guys, every time, guys. So this is Mr. Risk. This is how I break it. For example, in this trend that I took here, let me show you how I broke it, guys. So the first rule, it is to identify the market structure. And after identifying the market structure, it was at these moves. So I identified this market structure like a downtrend, right? So specific, I identified this one as a downtrend, and the market was currently at this point. So when it was here, I marked this one as a lower high, right? So after marking this like my swing, I know the market it is gonna move down to fit that range, all right? So and you can see, right? So after there, the key factor, it is now the second factor. So the second factor, it is just any other confirmation inflows that shows this is a downtrend. So for my sake, I use a trend line, guys. So I used something that I call the trend line. If you draw this trend line like this, it is supporting here, it is supporting here, it is supporting. So this trend line, it is to confirm this is a downtrend, right? So after identify this is a downtrend, guys, so I break down. In fact, after identifying that is a breakdown, a downtrend, so I break down like that. All right, so that is a very clean. So I was in a lower high. So having in a lower high, so I need to have confirmation, right? So after there, I zoom in my M that, remember this is only M that, right? All right, guys, so after there I look for confirmation. For example, in these terms, there is these continuous candles here and showing there is a strong bearish momentum, right? So after that confirmation, I enter some sales and target at these lows, and that is how I trend every day, every time, guys, using the 3 rule method strategy. So the first rule, it is to look at the market structure. The second one, it is any factor that is supporting. Yes, it can be a resistance, a support line, a trend line that is supporting, and confirmation that is a downtrend. After that, it is now a confirmation, and this comes in candlestick patterns that you see in the market every time. Remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel every time, guys. If I'm speaking sense every time, remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel every day. All right. That is very nice. Right. All right, guys, welcome to Mr. Risk Trading channel every time, guys. So today's video, I want to explain my best of the best strategy that I have been using every time that I call it. All right. Remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel every time. That is the best of the strategy that I have been using, guys. Remember the TP was 8, guys. Remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel every time. For the people who are joining live, this is Mr. Risk. Every time we change up between Wesley every day, guys. We don't just come here not to scam every time, guys, but to trade what is real, what is supposed to be traded every time, guys. For the people who are joining live, this is Mr. Risk. Every time, remember to leave a like. And you know what? Subscribe to the channel every time. All right. So very nice. That is very fantastic every time, guys. We are eyeing strongly. yeah, in strongly, guys. So I will just take another momentum. I will just explain something that is very important. For example, that was an example of a downtrend every time, guys. So let me just I will just take another momentum, right? So I'll just take another example. I will just take another example. In fact, another example, guys. So this is one of the most of the things that we need to be looking at, guys. In fact, so this is Mr. Risk every time. Remember to leave a like, and you know what, subscribe to the channel every time. So this is a matter of consistency every time, guys. All right. So you and in comparison every time, guys. Every time we have been making a lot of money. In fact, in other. All right, guys. So this is Mr. Risk every time. Remember to leave a like. Subscribe to the channel every time, guys. For the people who have been joining live, that is very nice. Right. All right, guys. Welcome. Concept. All right, guys. This is Mr. Risk every time, guys. So remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel every time, guys. For the people who are joining live right now, every time, guys. All right, guys. So this is Mr. Risk every time, guys. So let me explain something very important again, right? What has been making people losing money. All right, guys. So this is Mr. Risk every time, guys. Remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel every time, guys. All right. Remember to leave a like, and you know what? Subscribe to the channel every time. It has been quite long. In fact, it has been quite long. Mm-hmm. Been quite long, and I want to explain why most of the people, in fact, Alright, guys. This is Mr. Risky channel every time. Remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel every time. For the people who are the first time to join, that is very nice, guys. So I want to explain something very important. What many people have been asking, Mr. Risk, which the time frames to use every time. So most of the people have been asking, Mr. Risk, which the time frames that I need to be using, guys. Most of the times I use M30 time frame only. I don't use any other time frame, guys. After discovery, after just a little bit to discover that I was using a lot of time and some confusions here and there, guys, just because of none of some knowledge, guys. Remember this time frame here, it can show you the 1 hour status, the 4 hour status, guys. So you don't need every time frame in your chart, guys. It is matter of using your curiosity and your mind every time, guys. So let me see in comment section, guys. So it is good to use this one time frame being focused in one direction every time, guys. So I only use him that. For me, if I want to look the status in actually in for example, if I take these candles here, if I take these candles here, if I take these two candles here, if I take these two candles here, in my mind I know these. When it comes to 1 hour, this is around, this is just, it looks like these are very strong bearish candle, because these are strong two bullish, that is bearish candles in MDAT, right? When it comes, this is 1 hour. When it comes to 15 minute, they should be looking like this. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, guys. So meaning this is a series of 4 candles. So I don't require myself to be switching to once. If I want to look the previous 4 hour, I know this is a medium bearish candle, right? This is after staying in the market most of the times, after looking to this one. So in the 3 rule method strategy that I use every time in trading, I only use just one time frame in all analyzing my chart, because I need to have that clear impulsive moves, guys. So I can you use one uh, just time frame and make money? Yes, you can make, because sometimes even this one, it is little bit easier, because you are not confused. You are not jumping from one direction to another. You are not confused because you are not combining a lot of things. So most of the beginners and most of the traders who are joining trends at early, at now, at these times, guys, so most of the times they are just analyzing from the daily, from the chart. You draw a lot of things in your chart, guys. Make trading easy, right? If you want to win in trading, make it easy and look it easy, guys. That is when you will start making money in trading. But once you complicate it, just analyzing from the top, guys, you can only look at this direction. For example, in this M30, it is also a very clean trend line, guys. You can only decide to follow this trend line, guys, and make forex easy, guys. You try to sell at this point, you sell at these swings here, right? You sell because you are inside the market structure and you don't require anything else, right? So most of the traders, that if I don't know ICT concept, if I don't know kind of likes of smart money concept, I will not make money, bro. That is the times that you loses money, because you are combining a lot of things, right? So stick in one direction and just purpose to make money in one direction, guys. So this is Mr. Risky advice every time. Use one time frame, guys. That, guys, for intro of the best of the best price action that I use, that is the 3 rule method strategy every time, guys. So I will introduce it to you and show you that, and show you and prove that the 3 rule method strategy using only one time frame, it works every time, guys. So for you to avoid being confused, make trading easy. If you complicate it, it comes auto to be a very complicated thing. All right, remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel every time. All right. Alright, guys. This is Mr. Risky channel every time. Remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel every time for the people who are the first time to join. That is very nice, guys. So I want to explain something very important. What many people have been asking, Mr. Risky, which the time frames to use every time. So most of the people. Guys, it is Mr. Risky every time. I always train live every day, guys, on gold, that is on Euro USD, and on TJ, guys. For the people who continuously watching Mr. Risky, most of the time, guys, I train live trading, and that is very important. So I want to capture some sort of a life when I'm trading, explaining the best of the best, my trading strategy every day, guys. So presenter in YouTube live every day, guys. So this is Mr. Risk trading live every day, guys. So I want just specific to explain what I have traded here, guys. This is on gold. This is on gold, guys. So right, so the market structure, it was a downtrend, guys. You can see very keenly the market was moving down. Let me. All right, guys, this is Mr. Risk every time. I'm from Kenya. I love my country every time. This keep it looks, it has a flag of Kenya, guys. I'm currently a Kenya, guys. I'm a great forex trader who has been trading for the previous most of the times, guys. So I want to explain specific things, what has been fighting you psychology, and I will just show you when I'm trading live, when just explaining, guys, on details what has been fighting you most of the times. So I will today talk about the in terms of being focused in trading, guys. So most of the times, or most of the traders, they don't believe that if they do little in trading, that is the bigger outcome it comes. The more you make your strategy simple, the more the outcomes of winning it is very high, right? But if you want to complicate your strategy, that is the high losses, they will just increase, guys. So in Mr. Risky Trading channel, every time I use only one strategy that I call the three rule method strategy. I only follow the three rules. The first rule, it is the market structure. The second rule, still, it is any other supportive factor that is technical, that is supporting the approach, that is the market structure, and the third one, it is a confirmation, that is the market structure. If you look the scenario, it is the market structure. I only train the market structure, right? Because I have made the forex very simple, only the market structure. So the idea in forex trading, it is just to know if this market, it is going down or it is going up. But if you complicate trading, you move from this time frame, you are the one who is fighting yourself. And once you make trading like this, you will not win it like that, guys. So I will just switch on to the chart and show you in fact what I'm explaining in details, guys. So we are here at the chart, guys, every time, guys. This is one of me when I'm trading live every time, guys. So if you look at this point, guys, so I will explain in details, guys. So if you look at this market here, this is an example of a downtrend market, right? If you look very cleanly, this is an example of what? A downtrend what? Market, guys. So the only idea that I look at this phase, it is only if the market is moving down, right? My strategy, it is very simple, and I want to explain here in details, and you will learn it just in few minutes, guys. So for example, I just come here and look and I zoom this trading. Let me just zoom it very cleanly at this phase like that, right? If you look at this market at this phase, right, this is a downtrend, guys, because the market has been moving down like this, right? So for an example, for a trend that I took here, I made the trend when it was like this, and I zoom like this and show this is a downtrend. So I was just specifically looking for a lower high. So this is an example of a lower high that I show. After that, so any supportive factor that was supporting here, it was just a trend line. Just I drew it imaginarily from my mind. So this was a trend line, guys, and I know the market was tapping here. So I wait for a confirmation. Let me just zoom it, guys. So I drew it like this. So this was a confirmation, guys. So after 1 2 3 candles explaining that the bearish market, it is in momentum, right? So after this confirmation, this was my entry point. I entered and my TP was at this swing low, and my stop loss was in a ratio of 1:2, guys. And my TP has been smashed only because I have just followed the 3 rule method strategy, guys. So I have just make forex so simple, and I don't complicate most of the times. Remember, the time frame, it is only the 30 minutes. I have been winning a lot of money because of using the 3 rule method strategy, guys. If you can look at practically and go and just back test it, it has a high winning rate if you're following the market situation. But if you're looking from smart money concept, ICT concept, I know whatever, you are complicating yourself, guys. So the most of the things that you need to understand in trading, you need to be focused in one direction, not moving from one direction to another one direction, guys. So this is Mr. Risk every time, guys. Remember to be focusing in one direction every time. Do not be jumping from this, do not be jumping from this. Remember to be focused in one direction. Be patient and trade, and sometimes it will work out, right? So do not be jumping from one strategy to another, guys. It comes to a point that you need to be a professional forex trader where you trade every day and you earn most of the times, guys. Do not be stuck in a strategy that you are losing money. You cannot be playing as a player. You are supposed to be a striker, and you are in defender zone and you are poor in that. Just change your conditions and things will start working, guys. Remember, it is Mr. Risky every time. Train sharp, train wisely every time. All right, guys. Remember, peace be with you guys every time. All right. All right. Right, guys, this is Mr. Risky every time. I'm from Kenya. I love my country every time. This cute looks just a flag of Kenya, guys. I'm currently a Kenya, guys. I'm a great forex trader who has been trading for the previous most of the times, guys. So I want to explain it specific. You will learn it just in few minutes, guys. So for example, I just come here and look and I zoom this trading. Let me just zoom it very cleanly at this phase like that, right? If you look at this market at this phase, right, this is a downtrend, guys, because the market has been moving down like this, right? So for an example, for a trend that I took here, I made the trend when it was like this, and I zoom I like this and show this is a downtrend. Right, guys, this just explain right very briefly here the trend that I've taken. For example, this was a swing. I always all right, guys. This is Mr. Risk every time, guys. This is one of the best trends that I have taken this week, guys. So, how did I enter this trend? Let me explain in details, guys. So, the first thing that I did, I just zoomed in and looked at the bigger time frame, guys. So, the bigger time frame, it was a very clean downtrend. In fact, guys, so it was a very clean downtrend. You can see very clean. The market was moving down, right? So when the market was here in the top of this range, I was marking this one as the recent high low, right? So after marking that, I just waited for a confirmation of these candles, these bearish candles here, and my entry point was here, my TP was here, and my stop loss was here. I just got in. So in the link of this title of this video here, guys, remember that is the time you can join Mr. Risk every time. All right. Guys, this is Mr. Risk every time, guys. This is one of the best trends that I have taken this week, guys. So how did I enter this trend? Let me explain in details, guys. So the first thing that I did, I just Alright guys, this is Mr. Risk every time. Remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel every time for the people who have been joining live every time, guys. Alright. Is on Monday very keen we are in, right? Let's analyze the trends. Alright guys, alright guys. Alright guys, this is Mr. Risk every time. Remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel every time. Let's see, we're gonna trend today guys. So can we have some trends today? It has been I've been checking only buys, right? Let's see. We're gonna trade. Need to trade at the bottom of the range, guys. When it comes to GJ, look at it, guys. So this is one of the trends on GJ, guys. So this is GJ. This card over down trade, but we broke these structures up here. Trading room for buys. In a very good trading room for the buys. Right, it is only bullish. All these are bullish on GJ USD, guys. It is also bullish. It is a very clean structure, right, for me to go rise every time. So like Joe and Gigi, yes, and something like this to happen. So I cannot just take trades without not that good volume. So I need only good volumes in the market. So that is the scenario that I want every time in trading. So I don't want to be confused.
Try to invest wisely with Pocket Broker. Practice on a free demo.
Don't angry me. Are you coming to talk or you don't want to talk? If you don't want to talk, just come with other aspirants. I am the only member of parliament here. The rest aspirants. Abantu bamwitana abakwanya ebyamone nkyekolo kumala lwogera so the acting member of parliament enanyoleka lwogera bakanzira yokolero kazi ninamofanya kazi na kazi ninafanya na ni kazi safi. Kwanza kabisa, I want to give my condolences to the family of Malachi, who is not just my neighbor but our friends. Naona kwamba ukiamua wewe Mungu na skulu Nyansiongo St. Andrew Boys. Na kwa mwaka yako was the best performing student and I'm grateful to God. Tena wewe ananiagisha. Lakini hatulia sio? Ikifika wakati ya mbunge si hakuna haraka. Now, the former member of parliament, Party Kosero, alijenga choo pale ya 1.8 million. That is wastage of public funds. Hiyo ni wizi ya mali ya umma. Jana mimi nimetoka ofisi ya CDF. Wamenunua tank ya plastic ya 500,000 shillings. This attitude, you're making on the right not to be poor, so that you can control the many dollars area. It is ending with morality. As your current member of parliament, I want to assure you that hakuna siku mimi nitawanunulia coach na gambut na jacket ya 1.8 million hadi mkibisa wetu si. Ya milioni moja na utanaa.
Unajua sasa tumekupata kwa ofisi. Tukikupata huko nje itakuwa mbaya. Sasa tumekupata kwa ofisi. Tufanye hivi, tupatane kwa ground huko nje ukijaribu kumulika hizo projects zenye hazijafanywa. Sawa?
Hata nafikiri nitaanzia Kenyoro. Patane huko Kenyoro.
Kenyoro primary. Sawa, tupatane Kenyoro. Tupatane Kenyoro.
Ya nenda.
Naona
lazima tukuja live. Nothing you can do about it, my friend. Nothing, in fact, nothing you can do about it. Still Mr. Risky, yes.